of the Fikri bin Habib. Mathematic number is PUO20F2011. For today, I want to introduce about the differentiations. Differentiation means the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another. For example, the speed is calculated as the rate of change of distance with respect to times. This speed at each instant is not the same as the average calculates. Speed is the same as the slope, which is nothing but the instantaneous rate of change of the distance over a period of times. The ratio of a small change is a one quantity with a small change. In another which is independent on the first quantity is called differentiations. One of the important concepts in calculus is mainly focused on the differentiation of a function. The minimum of a maximum value of a function, the velocity and the acceleration of moving object, and the tangent of the curve are determined by differentiations. If y equals f bracket x, that is differentiables, then the differentiation present of f bracket x or dy over dx. Okay, thank you. That's just my presentation. I give another slide to my friend. Assalamualaikum.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faisal bin Rahman. My number metric is 10DPU20F2001. What you can see in this slide, it is an example of differentiation in real life. We get three example of differentiation in real life. Number one is marketing. Differentiation in marketing means creating specialist product that gain competitive advantage with a particular segment of the market. In ideal case, differentiation make a product or service more desirable to the target market. Number two is acceleration. By definition, acceleration is the first derivative of velocity with respect to the time. Instead of differentiation velocity to find acceleration, integrate acceleration to find velocity. This gives us the velocity time equation. If we assume acceleration is constant, we get the so-called first equation of motion. And number three is velocity. If a function gives the position of something as a function of the time, the first derivative gives is a velocity and the second derivative gives is acceleration. So your different position to get velocity and your different velocity to get acceleration.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Dinish Aiman bin Muhammad Azizul. My number matrix is 01DPU20F2012. My role is solution for all question given. The question given is y equal to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 11. Represent a curved line. A. Determine the coordinate of the stationary point of the curved line. B. Determine the nature of the stationary points. And lastly, C. Sketch the graph of the curve. First of all, we must to differentiate the equation so it will get 6x squared minus 6x minus 12. Next, we can solve question A. First step, but dy per dx must equal to 0. Second step, you just write the value dy per dx, which is 6x squared minus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. If you notice, we can find the value of x by using EQN on the calculator. After we use EQN on calculator, we will get the value of x is 2 and negative 1. Let's move to question B. we must to determine the nature of the stationary points. First step, let x equal to 2. Y equal to 2 in bracket 2 cube minus 3 in bracket 2 square minus 12 in bracket 2 plus 11. We will get the value of y is negative 9. Second step, we must find the second value of y. So, let x equal to negative 1. Y equal to 2 in bracket negative 1, cube minus 3 in bracket negative 1, square minus 12 in bracket negative 1, plus 11. We will get the second value of y is 18. So, the stationary points for question B is 2, negative 9, and negative 1, 18. After that, we must to differentiate dy per dx again to find minimum point and maximum point. So, d square y per dx square equal to 12x minus 6. We must to enter the value of x that we find from the equation at the beginning. First step, when x equal to 2, we must insert 2 in the equation of d square y per dx square. 12 in bracket 2 minus 6, we will get 18. 18 is bigger than 0. So that means this is minimum point. Second step, we must insert negative 1 in the equation of d square y per dx square. 12 in bracket negative 1 minus 6. We will get negative 18. Negative 18 is smaller than 0. That means this is maximum point. Let's move to the last question. Sketch the graph of the curve. After we insert all point values into the graph, this is what the graph from our group look like. Our graph has 2 points, which is minimum point and maximum points. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, Amir will continue this presentation.
Then in summary, differentiation is something that would be very useful in each aspect of our daily life because many problems can be solved by this concept in mathematics. We should explore more about the application of differentiation in real life, especially in different situations such as astronomy, science, physics, business, and many others. Thank you.